Menteri orang ba ke jela konrat ke sangma lapan bena ba ke sor Shillong kan long ke ba khut ke ba suba hashwa usnem 8,000 arhun yau shwa ba kan long ka national game ka balai phok ndai ha kane ke jela mi khlia na ke liang jong Shillong municipal board kala thong e ki briu ban pan khut ya ki sadong sokun jong kane ke sor Shillong nadu nyo ba jemen step hadu ke por shko ba jemen mit henrei ngiatip ba ke sor Shillong la phia ha ki arbanta ban pej ya ka khut ka suba ya ka jaka ki bahap ha ka jingpej jong ka Shillong municipal board la pan khut da ka municipal bar ki jaka ki bahap hapo ka jingpej jong ka Shillong Cantonment Board la pan khut da ka cantonment kumba kalong menta ka sor Shillong kala kham khut hnrei haba phai se ki jaka jong cantonment kham tam ha ki jaka basa ki rupaj ba ki long ba jabo ban pej bar kam shem la ya hap bar ki ei ka bak sarkar jila ka kwa ban pelong ya ka sor Shillong ka ba khut ki jaka sa ki paj ba ki bahap ka jingpej jong cantonment ka Jhalupara kham tam ki banta badon ka yeu ka jingjaboh ka long ka bla palat ha bakran bor West News Agency umohon limbo hetman ka Jhalupara ulai thu ba kali jong ka Shillong Cantonment Board ki wan ban kit man ga sngi ya ki jabo jabai henrei ki paj ba na keleng ki wan ban bread ya ki nyut ha ka te ki jaka udah kun tuju ri paj ba kin le khoj bat ha ju ko por ba kim de ban bread pathar ya ki nyut ki nyet ki de ban bread tang ha ka por ba ki wan ki kali jong ka Shillong Cantonment Board namar ka jing khoj kawan ra aru ya ka koj ka khia. So can you just tell us a little bit what is the problem with this littering here in Jhalupara market?
Area. The main problem out there is people from nearby area, in that area, and people from other localities, what they do in the morning time, especially in the morning time, while going to their office, they used to bring their garbage in their car or in their scooty, and they just came there and throw and they went. And at the same time, main problem is that even that market area people, those who are keeping shops out there, just like vegetable shop is there, fruit shop is there, even the meat shop is there. So even those people also, I think they used to throw the garbage out there in that particular place. They used to come and clean every day. By 11, they used to completely clean it up. But again after that, same thing happened. People used to come and throw the thing.
So most probably here you have a ward commissioner.
Yeah, ward commissioner we are having.
Yeah. So when it comes to civic amenities, is there any development activities?
Yeah.
Especially about this cleanliness.
Yeah, cleanliness we used to do. Even just recently also we have done a cleaning right. So all the village people, they came out and they cleaned their area, their compound and the roadside area. And after that, the cantonment people, they come and they collect all this garbage and all.
So what is your appeal to the people of the resident to keep the area clean?
Yeah, I humbly request to all the people, especially to clean, especially the people of all the localities, even the compound wise. Not they should not clean on the roadside only. Even they have to clean their compound area also, so that for their good health. Especially now the health problem is coming because of the littering and all. So just to what to say, just to keep themselves healthy, they have to clean all the dirty thing. And I request all the people, especially that market area, they should not throw the garbage in that particular place. Especially when the vehicle comes, they can throw it in the vehicle. No? That will be far more better.